I'm Eugene Gershman, founder and CEO of Swan Kids. What's Swan Kids, you ask? We provide awesome programs in STEM, wellness, athletics, and nature. That's right, the four horsemen of modern education. At Swan Kids, our instructors are experts at delivering high-quality programs to kids of all ages, from exiting the warrior pose to the castle doctrine and self-defense.
Our STEM program helps to enlighten tomorrow's budding scientists so that one day they can solve our most important problems.
Like male pattern boulders. Or maybe your child is the next Mark Zuckerberg with better social skills. Either way, Swan will prepare them to take over the future. Are you ready? Whoa! That roller coaster looks dope. Woo! That was a lot of fun. Swan Kids offers a dozen programs. Gymnastics is one of our most popular programs for kids, and every child loves hip-hop dance. Child's addicted to video games? That's not a problem. Our drones and robotics program gives them marketable skills that they can take out into the real world. Woo!